Hi guys, I'm Yuti and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to round the corners of any shape using the corner wedges. So let's first create a rectangle by using a shape tool. You will notice some small dots in each corner of the shape. There are corner widgets and they let us round the corners easily. If you just click over them or hover over them, your cursor will change to an arrow with the rounded corner. This means you can adjust the corners. If you don't see these dots, go to View menu and check if Hide Corner Widgets is turned off. If it is, then the dots will disappear. So make sure it's off to see them. Now just select the shape. Most of the time, we will use the direct selection tool. The shortcut is A on the keyboard for this. And you select the corner and drag inwards. You can see all the four corners, it's getting rounded at the same time, right? It's simple. To adjust the corner more precisely, look at the top toolbar. After selecting the shape, you will see a corner selection where you can enter a specific size. Let's say example, I'm typing 50 points round corners for each corner, right? You can see the corners are perfectly aligned. You can also explore the different corner styles like there is a rounded, inverted, straight cut. Now let's try something different. Instead of rounding all the corners, we can select only specific corners by using direct selection tool. For example, I can round just the top two corners while keeping the bottom ones, let it be sharp. This helps in creating unique shapes while keeping the consistency in your design. This works with other shapes also. Let's say I make a star shape and I can apply the same 50 points rounded corners to match the rectangle tool to match the rectangle's look for keeping the designs uniform across to your project. And the best part is the corner adjustment are non-destructive. You can always reset them back to zero if your mind changes, right? That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.